Here we go on Twister at Curry's. I've got no clue who owns it, so if you know who owns it, just let me know. I'm the only person on the entire ride. See how good this is. So good to see as compares to other twists. Yes. Oh, the ice jet there was absolutely amazing. And then going to be doing that waltzer soon. And it's got spinners too, unlike Waltzer XXL. And they've been, oh yeah, and they're also testing the Accelerate Freakout, so I'm hoping to get on that the other day. So yeah, honestly, it's a nice little park. Oh yeah, the Sound Factory Dodgems did those in Coleraine. And then that Waltzer was also in Coleraine one year. So yeah, it's practically that fair, Coleraine Halloween Fun Fair, a permanent one. Oh really, so far Curry's really nice. Here we go, faster. Come on, faster, faster, yo, run with the master. Whee! Jesus Christ, it's actually going fast now. Wow! I'm like the only person on the entire ride. The speed of ice jet. So good. Good. Oh, we even go faster now! Wow! That's actually really good twist. Definitely one of the better ones we've done. But still absolutely no clue who owns it. So I said, if you know who owns it, let me know in the description.